In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow download speed on Telegram if you've noticed that files, videos, or photos are taking forever to download in Telegram. Don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the most common causes and show you practical ways to speed things up. Follow along step by step, and feel free to pause the video as you try each fix. Let's start with the basics. First, make sure your internet connection is actually stable and reasonably fast. Try loading a few websites or playing a video on another app. If everything else is slow too, the problem might not be Telegram at all, but your connection. Switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi or moving closer to your router can sometimes make an immediate difference. Next, open Telegram and head into the app settings. On desktop, this is usually found by clicking the menu icon and choosing Settings. On mobile, tap the three horizontal lines or the Settings tab, depending on your device. Once you're there, look for the section related to data and storage or downloads. Telegram includes options that can limit download speed to save data or battery, so you'll want to make sure those are not too restrictive. Inside data and storage, check for any options like Use less data, Data saver, or similar wording. If those are enabled, try turning them off or changing them to a less aggressive setting. This tells Telegram it's allowed to use more bandwidth for your downloads. Also, if you see any limits related to automatic media download, adjust those so that the types of files you're trying to get are allowed to download over your current connection type, whether that's Wi-Fi or mobile data. While you're in settings, it's a good idea to clear the cache. Over time, Telegram stores a lot of temporary data, and on some devices, this can affect performance. Look for the storage or cache section, and choose to clear cached media. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your chats from Telegram servers. It just frees up space on your device and can help the app run more smoothly. Another helpful step is to log out and back into Telegram, or completely close and reopen the app. On desktop, fully quit Telegram from the system tray if necessary. On mobile, swipe it away and then reopen it. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches affecting your downloads. If you're still experiencing slow speeds, try connecting to a different network entirely. For example, switch from your home Wi-Fi to your mobile hotspot, or use another trusted Wi-Fi network. Sometimes, specific networks or internet providers route traffic to Telegram servers less efficiently, and changing the network can bypass that issue. Finally, make sure your Telegram app is up to date. Go to your device's app store, search for Telegram, and install any available updates. New versions often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can directly affect download speeds. Work through these adjustments one by one, and test your download speed after each change, so you can see what makes the biggest difference for you.